two new businesses and bars located here on the upper side of Rincon de Loix. Almost absolutely desert. This morning at 11 a.m. Only a few locals, a few cars, and typical but very, very needed businesses such as Aldi Supermarket are located right here. Explore with us the real atmosphere of the upper Rincon de Loix that in the evenings is blasting with music and full of people. But in the morning and midday time, there's literally hardly anyone here. Here we have a good example of a very nice Japanese Asian style restaurant. They have a very, very good sushi here. Very nice warm meals, different types of dishes such as fish, seafood, meat. Really, really nice restaurant. We've been here and we did a whole complete honest review here on the channel, by the way. And they have a buffet style, which means that you pay once and then you have a bunch of meals to try out. There is also a different types of menu parts, weekday menu. This is a weekday set menu, one cheaper one slightly more expensive. Special menu as well, plenty of choices. Obviously, you could get a la carte too, but why if it's going to be cheaper if you get a buffet or just a menu style? Some of the businesses here are still looking forward to be taken by someone. Greenie's brand new snooker club here is still not just ready yet. They are making all the finishing touches. They are cleaning everything. It's going to be very, very nice once it's all done, but still some work needs to be done in it. So slowly but surely things are coming together. Right in front, there is a big camping raco. By the way, this campsite is one of the main reasons why there are clients in the nearby businesses. Many people are coming here and staying in the camping. And all these people are going to the nearby bars, restaurants, and cafeterias and using the local services. This is their restaurant / cafeteria of the campsite, but many people are heading to the places in front, such as the Deloix. Ooh, the bus. This is the bus number 10. Yay! This is the bus number 10. They have the stop right here by the camping, by the way. This is how it looks like. And there's a sign bus, which obviously means there's a bus stop here. And this bus will head from Rincon de Loix towards the city center up until the end of Mediterranean Avenue. So this bus comes from Altea and Albir. And then obviously there's the bus the other way around if you cross on the other side. And this bus right now costs €1.60 for a bus ride, single way. If you get a 24, 48 or like 72 hours bus card, you can comfortably go around the area without paying too much. And it's actually a very good bargain if you're planning on enjoying different types of public transport such as tram, bus, all around our region of Alicante. Tattoo shops here nearby closed right now, which is strange. It's 11 in the morning, already past 11 even. But this place is closed. Coco Benidorm open already. Not too many people though, but by the evening it's going to be really, really busy. There's going to be plenty of people here. They do have a nice entertainment. There's always live music here. We do see a lot of our subscribers in this place. And it's a karaoke place, by the way, in case you are a singer. Nearby, some more businesses, even rent a car, 3 days, €170. That's quite expensive, isn't it? The Black Chicken Karaoke here too. It's literally everywhere. Black Chicken 2 it's called. There's also a karaoke here. There is plenty of live music. Starting from 7 p.m. karaoke. Pint, €2. Actually also a very popular place to be. Many people are coming here. I would say the Coco Benidorm and the Black Chicken 2 are plus Deloix and a couple of maybe one more. Those are the busy places here to be. Nearby, small businesses with covered terrace for coffee and cakes, which is a shame a little bit because not a lot of people are stopping here for breakfast. Eleanor's Arms here closed today, probably for the staff rest day. Another for rent, sadly. the self-service laundromats, the Butterfields, mobility scooter rentals, and the lounge, which is the busiest place we've seen here today, honestly. This is the busiest part of the upper Rincon de Loix. They have a nice sunny terrace, even though it's early in the morning, which is great. Barbecue or back at the lounge. Ooh, every Tuesday at 3 p.m. Oh, there's a barbecue. That's nice. That's actually very, very nice. I'm sure it's going to be really, really busy at this time of the day once the barbecue is actually open. And it's not the only place. In many areas here in Rincon de Loix, oh, that's dirty. Doesn't look good. This part of the upper Rincon de Loix doesn't look really good, does it? Here there's one new business, which is called Lina's. It's almost ready to go. I suppose it might be some kind of a cafeteria or maybe an aesthetics place, a nail place. Who knows? Because it has this neutral aesthetics like sandy beige colors. I wouldn't even guess what it's going to be unless we see on the inside what there actually is. But at least so far, not too much can be seen. There's no terrace here. There's no signs. Just says Lina's. So we're curious to see what it's going to be here in Rincon de Loix very, very soon. So we have two brand new businesses plus a newly created supermarket, like a 24-hour supermarket, like a typical one that you can see all over Benidorm. This one is also new, and all the rest are good old businesses that managed to survive up until now. On our left side and heading straight down towards the Levante Beach, we can see the Deloix Hotel. This is a 4-star superior, if I'm not wrong. Yes, there we go, 4-star superior. And this hotel closes down in winter for a couple of months, but then it opens up back again. It's a very nice hotel and it's aqua center, has a very lovely spa and water facilities. Sports facilities too, and it's not a cheap hotel, but many families choose it because it's not in the heart of Benidorm and it's slightly quieter. Here from the other side there's just like pine trees and it's really, really quiet. There's no nightclubs here around, so people choose this place whenever they want to literally disconnect a little bit and have all the amenities nearby if they decide to go out inside of the city. So this place is usually really, really busy, although we never see massive crowds of people because it's a different type of tourism. Their cafeteria and terrace on the sunshine is always empty, but that is because it's really, really hot out here. So on the outside, there's barely any people, just a few families. There's a stage here for the entertainment too. And on the other side of the hotel, there's a swimming pool, both for adults and for the kids zone. There's also a kids area here with some nice splash. So children will be happy in this hotel. All the rest of people probably are by the beach or exploring the surrounding area. This place looks like this every single day, with an exception of probably winters sometimes and the evening time. In the evening, this place looks really, really alive. A lot of people are heading to town for a night entertainment. Some people are heading back towards their hotels or campings. So you'll see way, way more movement, mobility scooters, families with kids, and much, much more. However, on midday, this is what you will encounter. So don't be surprised if you see this part of Benidorm like this. Nearby, there's plenty of also good businesses. By the way, this is one of the roads that you can take to go to Mundomar theme park and Aqualandia theme parks. And also here nearby, you have Chinese bazaars. These ones sell everything that you might need. There's also things for the household, for repairs. Mostly things for the beach is something that's displayed on the first site, slippers, etc. Because there's plenty of tourists having a walk from campsites and hotels and seeing something that they feel like they'll need by the beach is always a good marketing strategy. The empty Italian restaurant. This terrace does look more or less like Italian, but the other side doesn't look like it, and it's always empty. I don't get it. Maybe plant some more nice like red flowers, with some green leaves, maybe like put something else on the terrace, maybe some nice music. I don't know, something like Italian, something different, because it's a hard place to be overall. Only locals for some specific businesses are passing here, and those who are tourists are heading straight forward to the destination where they have to go. Usually they don't stop halfway there and say, oh, by the way, let's have a meal now. No, people are heading to the city and they're having the meals and dinners there, not here on the upper part. More laundry, self-service laundry. JJ's mobility scooter, which before was just like a small place. Now they have the mobility scooter rentals right here. Vet clinic, in case you're coming with your pet. We know some of our subscribers travel with their pets to the campsites or even hotels. Thus, if you are the ones who do that, there's some vet clinics here in the area, and on the other side they have an emergency area for emergency cases, and there's also a phone number you can call in case you need any kind of urgent help in the area. Here nearby there were usually nightclubs. This was a nightclub and the previous building was a nightclub too, but nowadays these are empty and you never know what is going on because these are just like empty, totally empty businesses. Physiotherapy specialists here too. All these, they're usually private, so they might work with some insurance companies, but mostly Spanish ones. And if not, you have to get a voucher for the physiotherapy. Sometimes it might cost between 30 and 60 euros, depending on the specialist, for one session of physiotherapy. Benidorm Palace here on the right side, a mecca for dinner shows, for performances. A lot, usually in summer there's circus right there at the end on the parking lot, but right now it's not here anymore. There's some nice performances here, nice shows apart from the typical Benidorm Palace dinner show. There are some specific dates where you can see some separate shows. Sometimes it's a tribute, sometimes it's a concert, sometimes it's like Elvis tribute, or the Beatles, or anything else. There's different types of shows that you have a choice from. And honestly, these shows keep shifting and changing every now and then. So there's almost every single time you're coming here on holidays, you will see something new and interesting for you guys. And the tickets can be purchased directly here at the Benidorm Palace, or you can also purchase them online or ask the hotel to help you out. But this place is really busy at nighttime once the show actually starts. Right in front we have another hotel, which is Hotel Mediterraneo, a 4-star hotel. Not bad, quite competitive prices, I must say. And from here already we would say that slightly more alive part of the Rincon de Loix starts. In front we have private schools, we have supermarkets, gas stations, fast food, numerous hotels and bars with typical English breakfast, more campings here on the right side, such as Camping La Torreta, and many more. Obviously the main avenue, which is this one here, and the straight way towards the Levante beach. So many places are here, and in this part you will definitely see way more people than in the upper side. But still, for some reason, we really like the upper Rincon de Loix. There's something about it that is different from the other parts of Benidorm town. Thank you for accompanying us on today's walk. We wish you great holidays, and we'll see you in a brand new video with some news update.